I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Sam's Club membership through the app, follow these steps to make it quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Sam's Club app. Launch that app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Navigate to your accounts. Tap on the account icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your membership. Step 3. Select membership details. In the account settings, look for the membership section. Here, you will find options related to your membership status and benefits. Step 4. Choose Cancel Membership. Scroll down to find the Cancel Membership option. Tap on it, and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any terms or conditions presented. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't see it, check your spam folder just in case. I hope this guide helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.